Well, hi, it's Julie here, and I just want to say welcome. Welcome to my Riman team. I am so blessed that you joined my team. I want to tell you a little bit about myself, my history with skincare and makeup, why I'm excited about Riman, and then a few things that you can expect and things to help you get started. So, when I was 30, I started selling a line called Beauty Control. And we had skincare and makeup. We did colors. We talked and worked with women on professional image. And I did that for 35 years. And then in 2017, sadly, that company closed their doors like so many companies are still doing today. And I was so sad because I had a great business. I had a lot of clients, a team, a really nice team. And that was going to be my retirement income. And so when they closed their doors, I decided I wasn't going to get back into that business because I was working full-time in church ministry, and I had been doing that for a long time. But the makeup and skincare always supplemented that. But I decided I was going to be done with it. Well, then, we get older. And as I started looking at retirement, as I started looking at that day when I would not work full time, I started working with a coach and was writing down all these possibilities of things I could see myself doing. And all of a sudden, it started bubbling up again. Maybe you could get back into the image business. Maybe you could get back into skincare and makeup and such. And so I really took it to prayer, prayed about it for a long time. And then I started selling makeup first, a makeup line with a company called Saint. And then I had been looking for a good skincare line. And I had tried 7, 8, maybe 9 different skincare lines over the course of since 2017 and could never find something that I loved. I liked the things that I tried, but when I discovered Riman, I fell in love with the skincare. And at the time of this recording, I'm 67, and I love how my skin feels. I love how quick and easy it is. I love that it's clean. And so I think you've made a really good choice because clean skincare is big. Spa quality skincare is big. Korean skincare is hot and it works. And so yeah, I think you've made a really good choice. So anyway, I started selling this line in September of 2024. And in my first 2 months, I had such amazing response with people and people who had purchased from me before, but as well as like new people who would say, "You have such beautiful skin, what do you use?" So I have no doubt that you too will find that it's really pretty easy as long as you talk to people about it. As long as you're not afraid to get on social media, as long as you're not afraid to share this with your family and friends and tell them about the product line. And what I recommend is that in your first 2 months, you really set yourself a goal to sell $3,000, because when you do that within the first 3 months, you're going to bump up your commission from 10% to 20%, and that's worth it. And then when you get to $6,000 in your first 6 months, then you make 30%, and you have an opportunity for some bonuses. So I would really set yourself a goal for that, because if you can do that as quickly as possible, then you're going to make much more than just an affiliate percentage. You'll be making a really good percentage on your retail sales. So anyway, again, what are the benefits of Riman? It's a fairly new startup. It's new to the US. It's the #1 selling Korean skincare in Korea. It's quality, clean, affordable, and simple skincare. And skin solution, the solutions, that what it helps with is amazing. And we've got different lines. You maybe have started with the ICD line. My packaging is different because I don't have the new packaging yet, finishing up. But we've got the cleansing oil, we've got the moisture cream, the booster and serum, which is your anti-aging, super loaded with antioxidants and all the good ingredients that help with wrinkles. We've got the cleanup powder. Love this when I'm traveling, but it's also a great little mild exfoliator. We've got a fantastic sun protection. And then we also have the Rad line. And maybe you started with this one. This is the more advanced line. It's more expensive. Some of my clients don't want to spend that money, but it's still really affordable. And there's some ampules. I'm out of those. The tonic, the cream. And so this is a really good line as well. I usually start women with the ICD line, but you can have them take a quiz and Riman will tell them what line they would recommend. And then based upon your client's budget, you can recommend with them what to get. So what else does Riman have? We have very new, we have an ICD cushion makeup. We've got that in 6 colors. That's going to be expanding. We've got a setting spray. Love this. Love this. Comes out in a really fine mist. And then we've got several different colors of lip butters. And these, I have one on. I have the Evening Rose. Let's see, no, I have the Symphony Pink on. And love that line. And then we also have a, where is it in my little menagerie of products? We have a BB cream as well. And they're going to expand that in colors. So, great line. If you've not tried the collagen, liquid collagen is super good, and everything is all about collagen these days. Love the collagen. And so yeah, that's our line. And it will be expanding because Riman is on a growth curve, okay? So again, I just want to say welcome to my team. You have in your email some other links, or you got a text from me with some invitations to Telegram channels and Facebook groups, and there's weekly trainings. You can join any or all. When I first started, I just purposed that I was going to do 2 or 3 trainings a week so I got to know the product line, but you can do as much or as little as you want. I usually listen to things on replay so that I can speed them up or listen to them while I'm walking or driving. Anyway, again, I just wanted to say welcome, and I'm excited to be on this journey with you as we help women have absolutely radiant, glowing, beautiful skin.